Gravity was always explained to me as a pull. The Earth pulls things down. The sun pulls planets in orbit. Gravity is a force, like magnetism, but weaker and invisible. And for a long time, that made sense. Until one day, it didn't. Because the more you look at gravity, the more you realize something strange. Nothing is actually pulling anything. There is no invisible hand. There is no downward force acting on you as you fall. And the moment I finally understood this, gravity became beautiful. Let me explain. Since childhood, we imagine the Earth tugging on us, almost like a rope. Drop an apple, the Earth pulls it down. Jump up, you come back because the Earth pulls you back. But in 1915, Einstein flipped this entire picture inside out. He said gravity isn't a force. It's simply what happens when space and time get warped. And once I saw it with the right visuals, everything suddenly clicked. Imagine a perfectly flat sheet stretched tight. If you roll a marble across it, it moves straight, smooth, effortless motion. Now place a heavy ball in the middle. The sheet bends. Roll a marble now and its path curves around the dip. Not because a force acted on it, but because the shape of the sheet changed. Einstein said our universe works exactly like that, except the sheet isn't fabric, it's spacetime. And the Earth, the sun, everything with mass, they're the heavy balls that bend it. So when you drop something, it isn't being pulled downward. It's simply following the straightest possible path. In a curved world, this idea blew my mind. Because it means you're following motion, the thing we call gravity, isn't special. It's just natural motion, you aren't being pulled down. You're actually trying to move straight through space-time that isn't straight anymore. That's why astronauts inside a falling spaceship feel weightless. They're not escaping gravity. They're inside gravity, moving freely along the curvature of space-time. Gravity doesn't disappear in space. The feeling of gravity disappears when you stop resisting it. Here's a simple way to see it. If you stand on the ground, you feel gravity. But why? Because the ground is pushing you up. It's resisting your natural free-fall path. Sit in a chair, same thing. Your weight is just the chair pushing back. Your body wants to follow along space-time's curve, but the chair doesn't let you. Einstein realized the feeling of weight is not gravity. It's the absence of free fall. Gravity isn't what you feel. Gravity is what you feel when you can't follow the curvature of space-time. That's why falling feels like floating. And standing still feels like pressure. Completely backwards from how we're taught. Let's zoom out. Planets orbit the sun, but not because the sun pulls them. They move forward. And space-time curves inward. And those two motions together create an orbit. No force, just geometry. The same geometry that leads photons, particles with no mass, to bend near stars. Not because light can be pulled, but because the space it travels through is bent. Gravity doesn't care what you're made of. It bends paths, energy paths, time paths, and light paths. It shapes the universe not by pushing or pulling, but by redefining what straight even means. And this is where everything clicked for me. If gravity is the shape of space-time, then planets, stars, galaxies, they're all moving along invisible highways, not forced, not dragged, just following the curvature around them. You and I right now are doing the same. We live in a constant gentle slope of space-time, but we don't notice because we're used to it. We feel only the things that stop us from moving along those curves. Gravity isn't acting on us. The Earth is. The floor is. Your chair is. Gravity is everything that happens when the universe is allowed to be itself. The simplest summary? Objects in gravity free fall feel no force. Objects not in free fall feel force. This is the opposite of Newton's picture, and the heart of Einstein's. Free fall equals natural standing still equals unnatural weight equals resistance, gravity equals geometry. Once you see this, the universe starts to make sense in a deeper way. GPS satellites need relativity because their clocks tick differently depending on how curved space-time is where they orbit. Black holes trap light not because they suck it in, but because space-time bends so steeply that even straight paths loop inward. Gravity is the architecture of reality. It's the shape that everything must follow. When I finally understood that gravity isn't a force, the world felt different, not heavier, not lighter, just more connected. We don't live on a stage where forces act. We live inside a dynamic, flexible fabric that curves under mass and energy. and guides everything from falling apples to swirling galaxies. And every moment you moving through that geometry, not because you being pushed or pulled, but because space-time itself is telling you how to move. That's the moment gravity stopped being a mystery and became a masterpiece. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more fascinating videos like this one.